Hey pop-up people, I'm just jumping on to show you something that I just got from Amazon. I purchased some of this Artsity clay, which is like a foam type clay. I think it's a lot like Model Magic. Anyway, it has 24 colors and it costs $10.99 on Amazon. So anyway, I've been teaching a bunch of clay classes. Sorry for the crackling noise here. And some of the kids that I teach get this kind of clay. So I wanted to buy some just to test it, see what they're doing. And also we have a project coming up where we want to use color clay. So I bought this just to give it a try. So anyway, it comes with 3 little tools, as you can see. Those over here. And got these 2 towers of clay in different colors, and looks like it comes with instructions too, how to make a little bunny rabbit, a hot dog, a lion. Oh, and this is good, they have a mixing chart. It shows you how to mix the different colors to create another color, so that's good. Let's see, I'm going to open this up and see what it feels like. Oh boy, it's really shoved in this bag. It feels pretty soft. One of my questions with this is, does it get sticky? Does it stick to itself easily? Ooh, it is super, look at it. It really stretches. It doesn't have a whole lot of body to it, but let's see. Maybe if we play with it a little bit, it'll change. And it's kind of hard to get out of the bag because, there we go, I got it all out. So yeah, it feels kind of like kneading foam. One thing I did see in a couple reviews on Amazon was that you need to get a different plastic bag to put it away because it's almost impossible to fit it back in here. So we'll try that and see. I'd rather not use a new plastic bag because that's just more waste. It is a lot of plastic packaging for this stuff. So it is like taffy, the way it's stretching out. I haven't used Model Magic in a while. I don't think Model Magic stretches like that. So let's see how well it holds its shape. Because sometimes, left a mark on there. Sometimes like with Model Magic, it's almost like, I don't know, I don't really like it that much, but usually if you press something into it, it just expands into that shape. So it really doesn't hold the lines, but this is holding the lines pretty well. It's not sort of rising up back to where it was. Let's try this little tool. So I like that. That's a plus in my book. So let's see what happens if it sticks to itself. Whoop, it's really hard to break. I'll put a link to this clay in the comments below if you're interested in purchasing it. I don't have any affiliation with this clay. I'm just kind of trying it out for my own curiosity. So I'm going to try to attach 2 pieces together. And as far as I know, this dries. So it will harden. But again, got to test that. So we are Pop-Up Art School, which means we pop up in different places. We're a mobile and online art school. And one of the places we pop up are libraries. And I'm testing this clay before a project for a library. And we're also going to start a new monthly subscription membership for kids 7 to 10. And it's going to have pre-recorded lessons that you can view at any time that you want. And we're going to be doing sculpture with clay. We're going to be doing painting, drawing, paper sculpture, different things like that. I'm just kind of playing around a little bit. I just made a little vase. Whoops. It's not sticking to my hands, which is nice. I just sniffed it. It doesn't have a smell, which is good. Sometimes these clays have kind of a weird chemically smell, so it doesn't. So, and it looks like if I put the little head on there, that it sticks on there pretty good. Like I really have to kind of, well, let's try it again. on second thought, I probably will do the shapes on the face after I've stuck it on here because you can see how much is deforming. But I stuck it on there pretty good, and it's stretching before it actually pulls away from where I attached it. So that was one of the things that I was looking for in this clay. So overall, I think it's probably going to work for what I want to do with it. And let's see, let's open up another color and we'll try mixing. I'm going to mix up some of this bright pink. It's like a neon pink. Matches our logo over here. Oops. I think when it dries, it's going to be super lightweight, just like Model Magic. Let's take a little bit of this out. It's almost like, I don't know, like a flip-flop. That's kind of how it feels, like foam. So let's make some little eyes. Put it on top of there. So it's holding the shape pretty good, I have to say. Handles pretty well. Again, it's not sticky, which I like. You never know with this stuff. All right, so just putting that on there. And then I'm going to mix the color and see what happens. Make some little cheeks. I don't know. I'm just playing around. So let's take some gray and some pink and see what happens. They do have this color mixing chart, so apparently it mixes together well. So I have equal amounts of the pink and the gray. So let's see, maybe we'll get like a marbled effect. I'm just rolling it into a snake and folding it on itself. So that's kind of fun. Let's see if it actually becomes another color. Or if it, no, it looks like it is blending together. For a second I thought it was going to stay separate. So it looks like it's just going to kind of go to a gray color, maybe with a little bit of pink in it. But yeah, it does blend together. Kind of made like a dirty purple. So anyway, so the clay again is Artsity. I think that's the way you pronounce it. Got it from Amazon. And I think, you know, if you're looking for something like a tactile kind of clay that's fun to play around with, you'd probably like this, and fairly inexpensive. You get tons and tons of colors, which is a lot of fun to play around with. So I usually use Crayola air dry clay, but I have to paint that. And sometimes for some projects, it's better to have the colors already pre-made. So anyway, if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll put a link down there too. Have a great weekend. Bye.